Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an unusual but effective home remedy that you might not have heard of before. Have you ever heard of using VICKS VapoRub on your feet? Well, in this video, we are going to show you how to use this product and what benefits you can expect from it. We divide this video into 3 sections. Section 1. What is VICKS VapoRub and how does it work? Before we get into the benefits of using VICKS VapoRub on your feet, let's first understand what this product is and how it works. VICKS VapoRub is a popular over-the-counter product that is commonly used to relieve coughs and congestion. The active ingredients in VapoRub are camphor, menthol, and eucalyptus oil. These ingredients work together to provide a cooling sensation that helps to relieve coughs and clear nasal passages. Section 2. Benefits of using VICKS VapoRub on your feet now. Let's talk about the benefits of using VICKS VapoRub on your feet. Believe it or not, applying VapoRub to your feet can help to relieve coughs and congestion just like applying it to your chest. This is because the feet have a high concentration of nerves and blood vessels, making them an effective area to apply the product. In addition to relieving coughs and congestion, using VapoRub on your feet can also help to alleviate foot pain and soreness. The menthol and camphor in VapoRub have a cooling effect that can help to soothe tired and achy feet. Another benefit of using VapoRub on your feet is that it can help to moisturize dry skin. The product contains petroleum jelly, which can help to hydrate and soften the skin on your feet. Section 3. How to use VICKS VapoRub on your feet. Now that we know the benefits of using VapoRub on your feet, let's talk about how to use it properly. First, make sure your feet are clean and dry. Then, apply a small amount of VapoRub to the soles of your feet and massage it in gently. You can also apply it to your heels and the tops of your feet if you are experiencing pain or soreness in those areas. After applying VapoRub to your feet, put on a pair of socks to help the product absorb into your skin. Leave the socks on for at least an hour or overnight if possible. When you wake up, you should notice that your feet feel softer, less achy, and more moisturized. So, there you have it. Using VICKS VapoRub on your feet is a simple but effective way to relieve coughs and congestion, soothe foot pain, and moisturize dry skin. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.